Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Urdu Master. This lesson is about counting numbers in Urdu from 31 to 100. If you want to learn numbers from 1 to 30, watch our previous video. If you want to learn how to read Urdu, watch our previous videos. And if you want to learn Urdu alphabets, watch our previous videos. The link is given in description. If you want to learn ordinal numbers, then you will just follow basic rule. Add wa at the end of number, waw alif nun for male, and add v, waw ye nun at the end for female. For example, 31st 31वीं फीमेल, 31st 31वां मेल, 32nd 32वां मेल, 33rd 33वीं फीमेल, 33rd 33वां मेल. Now let's start counting. 31 31, 32 32, 33 33, 34 34, 35 35, 36 36, 37 37, 38 38, 39 39, 40 40, 41 41, 42 42, 43 43, 44 44, 45 45, 46 46, 47 47, 48 48, 49 49, 50 50, 51 51, 52 52, 53 53, 54 54, 55 55, 56 56, 57 57, 58 58, 59 59, 60 60, 61 61, 62 62, 63 63, 64 64, 65 65, 66 66, 67 67, 68 68, 69 69, 70 70, 71 71, 72 72, 73 73, 74 74, 75 75, 76 76, 77 77, 78 78, 79 79, 80 80, 81 81, 82 82, 83 83, 84 84, 85 85, 86 86, 87 87, 88 88, 89 99, 90 90, 91 91, 92 92, 92 92, 93 93, 94 94, 95 95, 96 96, 97 97, 98 98, 99 99, 100 EXO. Our next video is about counting numbers greater than 100. Large numbers. All numbers from 100 to 9999999. So must watch our next video. Thank you, bye bye, take care, and Allah Hafiz.